Hello, it's Mrs.Z. It's a grade 5, mission 1, lesson 14, exit ticket. Okay, Mrs.Z, write it down. All right, and let's see what the question 1 wants us to do. Draw place value disks on the place value chart to solve, show each step using standard algorithm. So here is the place value chart right here, and then here is the part where they want us to show the standard algorithm. So I'm going to draw lines through it just to help myself, and then it just needed to be shared into two groups. So $5 whole dollars and 5 wholes and 372,000 needs to be shared into two groups. Okay, so if I let's see, if I make two groups, like this is one group and that is two groups. So this is one group and then and one more, so that makes two groups, right? Two groups. Now I'm gonna draw discs for what number is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3/10. 1, 2, 3, and 7/100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2,000s. 1, 2. We needed just to share in two groups. So we're gonna start with the we will look how many ones we have. So we have 5 ones. If you look here in the standard, the group is 2, and you have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many groups of 2 you can make? This is one group. This is two groups. So that means we can share this in one group and we're gonna make two groups of. So that means we can make two groups, one group, two groups. We can make 2 times 2 is 4. So we share 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have them. We put them into two groups. So now there is one that is left. I can give to this group. This group won't have nothing, so it's not fair. So what I can do, it's thinking about 1 will give me 10 of the tenths. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it here. So that is the arrow showing that I will take this and now I will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So look, I had 110, but when I put together that with the 3/10, I will have 13/10. So that when you say, hey, leftover is 1 whole, but when you bring down the tenths and the whole becomes 13/10. Here's the 13/10. And now how you can share equally 13/10. You can think, oh, if it's if it's 6 plus 6 is 12, so each can get 12 and 1 will be extra. So I really can make groups of 6. Look, if I take this 2, 4, 6, that 2 times 6, and then I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another group. So I can make two groups. I can make 6 groups. Sorry. I can make a 6 so I can share 6 in each group. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I share this group. And then I can also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I share this group. So how many groups of 2 are in the 13? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if you look at. But I share equally into 2 groups. Each gets 6. And here's one extra. So 6 times 2 is 12. When I subtract, I have left over 1. Now I'm going to bring down and combine the tenths with the hundreds. So this 10, if I move it to the 100, it will give me the 10 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10, I don't have that one no more, but I have 10 hundredths and the 7 together is 17 hundredths. If I think about what 2 times what is really close to 17, I can think, oh, 2 times 8 is 16. So I can make 8 groups of 2 in one group. So, or I can share equally 8 and 8. 2 times 8 is 16. So I will share 16. So let's see. 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8. So this 7 and one more, that's a one group of. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see as a one group of 8, or there is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this I share, and then also another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, 2, 4, 6, 8. Again, 1 will have left. So I'm sharing this in here. So right now, and then when you look this, you can say, oh, there is 8 groups of 2. I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or I can think about 2 groups of 8, 8 and 8. 2 groups of 8 is 16. So now I have 1 left. Once again, I'm not done because I have a thousands to bring down. So now I have 1 extra hundredths. And if I have 1 hundredths, that 100 will make me 10 thousandths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With 2 that I had, it is 12 thousandths. So how many groups of 2 are in 12? Or what number times 2 is 12? So it is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And I will not have anything to share. So my answer in the decimal is going to be right where it was. And it will be 2 and, I'm going to rewrite 2 and 686 thousandths. But we didn't share thousands yet. So we needed to put 6 in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These gonna go in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this 6 gonna go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have nothing left. I share this here. So that is 6 groups of 2 or 2 groups of 6 are shared. So now you know what answer is. What is in each group? In each group is 2 wholes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths, and it is 2, 4, 6, 8 hundredths, and then also 6 thousandths. So in each group is what will be 2 wholes and 686 thousandths. And this is how it matches with. So answer is 2 wholes and 686 thousandths. Okay, now solve using the standard algorithm. You see how much work you have done this, but if you remember and try to do the standard algorithm rules, then if you are good in memorizing steps, then this will be much quicker to do if you are using a standard algorithm. Okay, so I'm gonna use this paper so it's more clear. Our problem says solve using standard algorithm. So if I have a problem, I'm going to make the bridge, and I like to use bigger number. You have lots of room, guys, so please don't make small numbers and teeny tiny that you can even see yourself. So lots of room on your paper. Take as advantage because you're going to make it better work. So if I draw a line in between, I can say, okay, we're going to divide in a groups of 4. So group is going to be 4. Okay, and I go one number at a time because this is the whole number. The decimal gonna appear right above where it is in under the bridge. So now 0. If I have 0 wholes, I cannot make any groups of 4. Okay, now I'm going to combine and I will now go to 5. If I have 5 tenths, I can make group of 4. I can make one group of 4 tenths in there. 1 times 4 is 4. Now I can share 5 minus 4 is 1, so 1/10 will be left. Now when I am regrouping the tenth into the hundredths, and I'm adding 7 hundredths, so that now I'm going to have a 17 hundredths. So 4 times what is close to 17. So I can add 4, that's one group, and 4, that's 2 groups, that's 8. And if I add one more, that will be 12, that would be 3 groups. So I can add one more. Just for those guys who do not know multiplication facts, this is a good solution. So I came to, 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 is very close to 17. So I know now I have 4 groups. 4 groups of 4 makes 16. So I know this will go, so 4 times 4 is not 17, it is 16 right here. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16. So 17 minus 16 is 100 will still be there. But I'm not done with the thousand, so I'm going to bring down now thousand. So 100 will make 10 thousands plus 6 that we had. It's going to be 16. And now it's perfect number because 4 times 4 is 16. So again, I will have 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And when I subtract, I have nothing else to share. So my answer is 0 wholes and 144 thousandths. So let's go and make it smaller. All right. So now I need to go and write it down. 0 and 576 thousandths divided into 4 is 0 and 144 thousandths. And we use standard algorithm to solve the problem. All right. Okay, guys, so this was Exetic's lessons, mission 1, lesson 14, and it was Mrs.Z. All right, and that was problem 2, and then this was problem 1. Ciao.